In this video, I will guide you on how to enable Apple AirPlay on your LG TV. So if you're unable to find the Apple AirPlay feature anywhere on your LG TV, and whenever you try to screen mirror your iPhone or iOS device to your LG TV, you're unable to find the name of your LG TV from over here, the problem might actually be that the Apple AirPlay feature is disabled on your LG TV, and I'm going to show you how to enable the Apple AirPlay feature in these simple steps. Now, from the home of your LG TV, the simplest way to enable Apple AirPlay feature is to just press on the input source button on your remote control, which is basically this button at the top over here. Just find a button with this icon over here, just go ahead and tap on it, and this is actually going to open up the input source menu of your LG TV. Now from over here, you just want to go ahead and select the home dashboard, and then at the top you're going to see the AirPlay. Just go ahead and select it at the top over here. Now to enable Apple AirPlay, you want to scroll down to the AirPlay and HomeKit settings, then select that, and at the top you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. Another simple way to find the Apple AirPlay feature on your LG TV is to simply just scroll down below from the home page of your TV. So just scroll down until you get to where you have this home dashboard list of menu over here. Now you just want to navigate until you get to AirPlay, select that, and then come over to AirPlay and HomeKit. And from over here, you can now proceed to enable the Apple AirPlay feature on your LG TV. Now once AirPlay is turned on, make sure that both devices are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi, by the way, and then you just want to come over to the top, click on the screen mirroring icon. You should now be able to screen mirror or connect your iPhone to your LG TV. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.